The blues is a genre of music that has the power to touch our souls, evoke raw emotions, and transport us to a world of heartache and hope. It emerged from African American communities in the Deep South during the late 19th century, serving as an outlet for expressing pain, resilience, and ultimately triumph over adversity. In this article, we will explore how 5 legendary blues musicians revolutionized the genre and captivated audiences with their unique styles and powerful storytelling. Robert Johnson, the Crossroads Master. Robert Johnson's life may have been shrouded in mystery, but his impact on the blues cannot be denied. With his haunting vocals and intricate guitar playing, he became known as the master of Delta blues. His songs like Crossroad Blues spoke directly to listeners' hearts by delving into themes of betrayal, loss, and personal demons. Johnson's ability to convey deep emotion through his music paved the way for future generations of blues artists. B.B. King, the King of Lucille. B.B. King was a true icon who brought a new level of sophistication to the blues with his smooth guitar playing and soulful voice. Known for his signature vibrato technique on Lucille, his beloved Gibson guitar, King's style blended traditional Delta blues with elements of jazz and R&B. Songs like The Thrill Is Gone showcased his ability to communicate heartbreak in a way that resonated deeply with audiences worldwide. Muddy Waters, the father of Chicago blues. Muddy Waters played a pivotal role in popularizing electric blues during the post-war era when he moved from Mississippi to Chicago in search of better opportunities as a musician. His amplified sound gave birth to what came to be known as Chicago blues, characterized by its electrifying energy and urban grittiness. Waters' raw vocals and slide guitar skills were showcased in songs like Hoochie Coochie Man, which became anthems for a generation yearning for an escape from their troubles. Etta James, the Empress of the Blues. Etta James was a force to be reckoned with, possessing a voice that could move mountains and touch the deepest corners of our hearts. Known as the Empress of the Blues, James effortlessly blended blues, R&B, and soul into her music. Songs like At Last showcased her ability to convey both vulnerability and strength through her powerful vocals. Her impact on future generations of female blues artists cannot be overstated. Stevie Ray Vaughan, the Texas Tornado. Stevie Ray Vaughan burst onto the blues scene in the 1980s with his explosive guitar playing and electrifying stage presence. Hailing from Texas, he brought a unique blend of traditional blues with elements of rock and roll. Vaughan's virtuosic guitar solos left audiences in awe, while his emotional rendition of songs like Texas Flood demonstrated his deep connection to the genre's roots. In conclusion, these 5 legendary blues musicians revolutionized the genre by infusing it with their own unique styles and personal experiences. Through their music, they captured audiences worldwide by speaking directly to their shared human experiences: heartache, resilience, hope. Their contributions have not only shaped the history of blues but also influenced countless musicians across different genres. By listening to their music today, we can still feel that same raw emotion that captivated audiences decades ago, and find solace in knowing that even amidst heartache there is always hope when expressed through song.